Welcome back. Welcome to this new section on securing the application that we have built. What do we mean by securing the application that we have built? One of the things you would have observed is when we execute any request, we are not really needed to pass in any user ID and password. So all the HTTP requests which we are executing until now are executed without user ID and password. I can just go in and type in a URL and get the details of the to-do, or I can go in, type in a URL and get the list of all the to-dos which are present in here. And that's what we mean by unsecured applications. You don't really need to provide any credentials to be able to access the services. So if somebody knows the URL, then that's sufficient for them. They would be able to break into the application and use the information which is present in here. And that's not good. So in the next few steps, we would start our journey towards securing the entire application. We would start with using a basic approach called basic authentication, where along with every request, you need to send a user ID and password. So if I have to execute this request, I would need to send in a user ID and password. We will discuss the fact that sending a user ID and password with every request is not safe, because if somebody gets the user ID and password, then they can do anything with it. And that's where we create a temporary token called JWT, JSON Web Token. We'll discuss about what is the difference between basic security and JWT and how JWT is more secure. We'll enhance our REST services with authentication and have our front-end application connect to it. There are a wide variety of changes that we will need to do, and get set for all of them. And I'll see you in the next step. Until then, bye-bye.